In my last video yesterday, I was taking apart, cleaning up and picking an old lock which I'd found on a door near the rubbish bins. And I had mentioned that here in Europe, this is quite a common sort of lock. And one side is quite long, and one side, and here it is, with five pins in, and the other side has only 3 pins. And quite a few people, I think probably from the USA, had said they hadn't come across locks with 3 pins in. Well, as you can see, it's the same. The same key will fit both of these, except one part of the lock is fitted with only three pins. So it was rusty. I've cleaned them both up, both these parts. I've sprayed some lubricating oil inside, and now as I picked the small one yesterday, I'm going to show you how easy it is, I hope, to pick this 5-pin lock here. Here we go. Okay, here we go then. I always mention I like to pick downwards, that's just my preference. And because this body here is not encased in the original mortise casing, I can tension it clockwise or anti-clockwise, it doesn't matter. And because there's a cam at the end, as you can see, it's joined onto the keyway here. I don't have to encumber myself by putting a tensioner in here. I can just use this at the back here. So okay, I think I'm going to use a medium hook. Start at the back. I'm tensioning anti-clockwise for no reason, just feels comfortable. Number 1, number 2, 3. Go to 5. 4. I think the problem I'm having here, it's not a problem, is the pins number 4 and number 5. Maybe they're quite high. I mentioned in my last video that this had a logo. It says AGC, and I said I would try and find out who made it, but having Googled it, I can find nothing. But I'm thinking it's either Portugal or Italy. I don't think this is German or Swiss. It's not engineered that well, even though it's quite heavy. I'm just going backwards and forwards to revisit each of the pins to see if I've overset any of them. And then occasionally release a little bit of the tension to see if anything pops back up. I think yesterday when I found this on the rubbish heap, It took about 30 seconds with a, not even 30 seconds I don't think, with a rake to open it. So I'm sure that there are no security pins in this. Okay, 5, 4, click there, 3, 2, 1. Now I think the awkward pins are at the back. Go to 5, 4, 3. No, I'm sure 1 and 2 are okay. It's 3, 4 and 5. What's going on with those? And there it is. So it took a little longer than I thought, perhaps, but this is the longer part of the two-part lock, and these sort of one fits inside and one fits outside of the door. So one with 3 parts, one with 5 parts, and both parts have now been suitably picked. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for watching.